my friends, welcome to Kids Study Station. Today we are going to learn second part of consonant sounds, which are different to their names. So let's see which consonants are those. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, and from these 26 letters, there are 21 consonants. In these consonants, there are 13 consonants whose sounds are almost the same to their names, which we have already learned. But other than these consonants, there are 8 such consonants whose sounds are different from their names. So let's see which are those sounds. Let us see. Sounds K and S. Letter H. Sounds H. Letter P. Sounds P. Letter Q. Sounds Q. Letter V. Sounds V. Letter W. Sounds W. Letter Y. Sounds Y. Letter Z. Sounds Z. Excellent. Today you learn consonants whose sounds are different from their names. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Again we will meet with one more interesting lesson. Till bye.